Hello guys, welcome back with new video. We are going to see how to integrate the Google Assistant app action in Ionic app. GA provides 4 ways of integration for mobile, web and home devices. Now, we are going to follow extend to Android app. For mobile integration has 2 ways. 1. Android slices. 2. Deep link feature. Here, we are follows deep link to app functionally access. Before start it, we need some requirements like Google Play Store account, physical Android device, latest Android Studio with testing tool, etc. Let's get start the integration. Let's start to create a new Ionic project. You can use your existing project if you want. Project is created. Now, we can import it in the VS Code. Just open command line and type code space dot for import it. Before start the implementation we need deep link URL. Here, I will use Firebase dynamic link to generating deep link URL. I will copy the created URL. Just go to the Ionic Office site and choose the deep link Cordova plugin. Let's install the Cordova plugin in our Ionic project. After the installation, just open the package.json and check the configuration. Then, we need to install the npm package for the deep link plugin. Create app action file in the resources folder. Choose the built-in intent for your application from this category. Here, we will use the Open App feature and order built-in intent for this tutorial. I will copy the sample action and paste it into our app action file. Add deep link URL and fulfillment parameter. I will choose one more built-in intent for this tutorial. App action provides some predefined voice comments for app integration. You can choose the built-in intent for your application functionality. App action file will be a move to Android resource directory while compiling Android build. So, we need to do some changes to the Ionic config.xml file. I have mentioned step-by-step procedures in my blog. You can find it in the description box. I will add the Android target SDK version is 29. And I will add an app action metadata tag in the Android manifest file. Now, we can start to write code. We will add a deep link class in the app module.ts. We need to update the package ID before generating the Android build. Let's start generate Android build. Just open the generated Android source in the studio. Now, we will check the app action file is placed in an Android resource directory. App action metadata tag and deep link configuration are updated in an Android manifest file. Then, we can generate the signed app for publishing in the Play Store. We must sign into the Play Store Google account in the Android Studio because of the test tool. Now, App Bundle or app ready for release in Play Store. Then, we can open the Play console and create a new project or choose an existing project. Let's create a new project and upload the signed Android build for purpose of testing. No need to publish for testing, we can keep the release build in a draft of the Play Store. If we want to test through Google Assistant in different Google account, we need to publish and get approval from the App Action support team. Let's run the Android build on a real device. This feature is not working in the emulator. Let's run the app on mobile through a USB. Now, we can trigger the actions from a testing tool which is in the Android Studio. Then, we need to debug our app is working or not while trigger Google Assistant. Just open the Google Chrome and type Chrome Inspect Devices URL for debugging. We need to check query string and URL are shown in the console from Google Assistant. Query string and URL logs are shown successfully in the console. We can navigate the respective Ionic pages based on the query string which is sent by Google Assistant. Let's create multiple Ionic pages based on features that are defined by us. Now, we can write code for navigating the screen based on feature and URL. Android build created successfully. Now, install the app in mobile through terminal adb command. Thanks for watching. Please keep support, subscribe, like and share this video.